Okay, so what I have on my nails already, they're both solids. Maldive and Moonlit. This is new from the Cascade Colorworks, part of their Halloween fall collection, something like that. It glows. So I have Moonlit here and Maldive here. Now we're going to put on some decals. I'm not going to show that. I mean, it's solids, nothing special there. So I'm going to pick out the ones that I want, which I believe I want this one. Oh, this one, and I still haven't decided on the other one yet. I'm going to cut them out and I will be back. Okay, I got my 2 pieces right there. I forgot to, these are from Poshy Nail Designs. It's called Graceful Greens. I've had it for a while. I believe it's still there. I'll link it down below in case anybody wants it. Alright, so I'm going to take my little stamper and I believe I'm going to do the small one first. And I'm just going to place it down like that. I don't know where my bottle of water went, but I got some water here. Oh, move that the hell out of the way. Wants to curl up. I'm just going to take, while that's doing that, this is Maniology Sticky Base Coat. Just going to put a thin layer of that right here. Super thin. Hopefully this will help me stick it without using gel base coat or foil glue or whatever's. Oh, okay, it's ready. Oh, I'll slide that off. Get off my finger. Here's one of these little doodads. This looks like eucalyptus maybe. For a while I kept thinking they were trees. And you can kind of see through there. And I want it up top. Just gonna put that down. And it's on. It's on. Looks cute. Alright, so I think we can, let me put the foil glue on. This one's gonna be, it's too big for my finger, so there'll be some, whatchamacallit, some cleanup with acetone. That's doing. Dry my finger. Put some sticky base coat on this one. You can also use, buy these on Amazon, eBay, wherever, little pipettes, and use some water to squeeze it on there as well. But I thought I had a bottle of water up here. That's why I had the pipette out and I couldn't find it. And I found this. Okay, that one's done. Use this to dab it a little dry. Now, which way do I want it? Whatever way it'll freaking land, that's the way I want it. Okay. I keep this little ice cube stamper in with my water decals. So I have one specifically for that. Trying to tuck it in. Tuck it. Close that so we don't screw that up. We got our little bit of acetone, little cleanup brush. Just gonna smack it, trying to cut that off. Maybe I don't have enough acetone. I don't want to flood it with acetone either. Oh my God, I'm blind. I can't look and see. Yeah. This is one little snuggly leaf, snot, whatever the fuck it is, man. It's getting on my nerves now. Get off. Oh, what have I done? Okay. I think everything's okay. Everything's okay. I just gotta go out of frame so I can freaking see what I'm doing. What the hell are they doing outside? Okay. I think it looks cute. I'm just gonna put some smudge-free top coat on this to protect these, and then I'm just gonna, after it dries, activate, and then use dip top coat. And then we'll come back and see how it looks if I screwed it up or what. Just want to make sure I cap these sides so the activator doesn't get in there and dissolve the decal. I could just put nail polish top coat on if I wanted to. I'll just leave it like that because I do have peel base on. I'll do the whole thing. So I'll be back and we'll see how it looks. Okay, this is it. I like it. I think it's cute. I usually like put bling and stuff like that, but with my nails at this length, I'm not feeling it. You can see the pattern. Super cute. Does that look like eucalyptus or trees? Upside down trees or eucalyptus hanging? I need to know because it looks like eucalyptus, but it kind of looks like trees too. So, yep. Still a little greasy. But I don't know. Tell me what you think down below. Yeah, I like it. I think it's a cute mani. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for spending some time with me. Remember to like, subscribe, do all that YouTube shit, and you guys have a good one. Bye.